In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bookmark or save all tabs as bookmarks in Google Chrome. Whether you're working on an important project or just accumulating favorite websites for later, knowing how to efficiently bookmark can save you tons of time and clicking. Let's dive in. First, let's cover how to bookmark a single tab. Start by opening Google Chrome and navigate to the web page you want to save for future reference. At the right end of the address bar, you'll notice a star icon. Go ahead and click that. When you click the star icon, a pop-up window will appear. This window is where you'll personalize your bookmark. It's a good idea to give your bookmark a meaningful name, something that'll remind you of the content or purpose of the web page. The default name might correspond to the web page title, but feel free to edit it to something more intuitive if that helps you. Next, within the same pop-up, you have the option to choose where to save your bookmark. You might see folders like Bookmarks Bar, or maybe Mobile Bookmarks. If you hover over these, you can even add a new folder. Let's say you want to keep things streamlined and save it under Bookmarks Bar. Once you've set the name and chosen the folder, it's a simple click on Done, and just like that, your bookmark is saved. Now, should you want to organize the clutter and save a bunch of open tabs all at once, Chrome's got you covered for that too. To save all open tabs, right-click on any one of the tabs currently open in your browser. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Bookmark All Tabs. This option is a fantastic time saver, especially when you have several research articles or work-related tabs open. Similar to bookmarking a single tab, a pop-up will come up asking you to name a folder for these collective tabs. You could name it something helpful like Work Tabs or Research, depending on the content of your tabs. It's entirely up to you, but keeping your bookmarks organized will help locate them faster down the line. After naming the folder, decide where to save it. Again, popular choices are the Bookmarks Bar or creating a custom folder if needed. Once everything looks good, click Save. You're all set. All of the tabs currently open have been saved into one neatly organized folder of bookmarks. And just like that, you've got all your web tabs easily accessible whenever you need them again. That's all it takes to master bookmarks in Google Chrome, whether you're saving just one page or many. I hope this straightforward guide helps you manage your online resources more effectively. Thanks for joining me today, and happy browsing.